Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Social Security benefits. To be eligible for retirement benefits, you generally need to be at least 62 years old. You also need to have earned 40 work credits throughout your career. These credits are accumulated by working and paying Social Security taxes, with a specific earnings amount required for each credit. Understanding these basic requirements is your first step. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you have several convenient options for applying. The most straightforward method is to apply online directly through the official Social Security Administration website. If you prefer, you can also apply by calling their toll-free number or by scheduling an appointment at your nearest Social Security office. It's a good idea to apply about 3 months before you wish your benefits to begin. Before you start your application, gather a few key documents to ensure a smooth process. You will definitely need your Social Security number and your birth certificate. Additionally, have your most recent W-2 forms or, if you are self-employed, your federal self-employment tax returns ready. Finally, make sure you have your bank account information handy for setting up direct deposit of your benefits. After submitting your application, the Social Security Administration will carefully review all the information you provided. You can expect to receive a decision letter in the mail, usually within a few weeks of your application date. If approved, your benefits will typically be paid monthly, and they will be directly deposited into the bank account you provided during the application process. This makes receiving your benefits simple and secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.